Are you over 60? Revitalize your muscles and regain your strength with these 3 powerful teas. Are your legs feeling a bit weak lately? It feels like they no longer support you the way they once did. Perhaps you've noticed that fatigue sets in more quickly, or that maintaining your balance has become a challenge. You're in good company, and it's more than just the passage of time. Recent studies reveal that specific natural teas can effectively enhance leg strength, promote better blood circulation, alleviate inflammation, and significantly elevate your energy levels, all without the need for pills or strenuous workouts. Now, let's get to the exciting part. These solutions are straightforward, secure, and supported by scientific research. A long-term study conducted in Japan tracked thousands of older adults and revealed that those who regularly consume green tea were significantly more likely to preserve their muscle strength and balance as they grew older. In real life, you can find inspiring examples like legendary Japanese sprinter Hidekichi Miyazaki, who attributed his daily cup of green tea as a key habit that enabled him to continue running well into his 100s. In this video, we unveil the top 3 teas that can enhance leg strength and energy for seniors. Each selection has been meticulously curated and verified by a dedicated team of health researchers, ensuring you receive reliable information you can count on. Stay with me until the end, and I'll reveal an unexpected tea ingredient that you may not be familiar with. Yet, it has proven to enhance circulation and combat muscle fatigue in older adults. This is an opportunity you definitely don't want to overlook. Let's get started. Kindly share your location with me before we get started today. We invite you to reach out with any questions you might have and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with all the top health advice from Senior Health Tips. I'd love to know if you're on board with me as you're watching this. If this video speaks to you, drop a 1 in the comments below. In that case, enter 0. 1. Ginger Turmeric Tea. Experience the comforting embrace of ginger turmeric tea. This straightforward yet powerful beverage can be a transformative ally for older adults seeking enhanced leg strength and a natural surge of vitality. If you've experienced heavy legs while walking, or find yourself fatigued by the time you conquer the stairs, this tea could easily transform into a cherished part of your daily routine. This is the reason behind its remarkable effectiveness. Ginger and turmeric stand out as 2 of nature's most powerful roots, known for their remarkable anti-symmetry properties. By blending these ingredients, you not only enhance the comforting flavor of your tea, but you also promote relief from the inflammation that causes sore joints, stiffness, and muscle fatigue. For numerous seniors, it's not merely diminished strength that hinders them. It's also the discomfort and inflammation that follow even the slightest exertion. Ginger turmeric tea targets the root of the issue directly. The journey continues beyond that point. Ginger is packed with natural compounds known as gingerols, and research indicates that these compounds can enhance blood circulation. Imagine your legs as diligent machines, tirelessly performing their duties. A consistent flow of oxygen-rich blood is essential for them to maintain strength and recover from the daily grind. When circulation slows, muscles miss out on essential nutrients, leading to fatigue and unsteadiness. Regularly sipping ginger tea can subtly enhance blood circulation, invigorating your legs and instilling confidence in every step you take. Let's dive into the world of turmeric. This remarkable spice boasts curcumin, renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, its role in preserving muscle integrity, and its support for post-activity recovery. If you experience popping knees when standing or soreness after a brief walk, curcumin can provide soothing relief. With reduced inflammation, your muscles can effectively perform their essential roles, stabilizing your body, providing support, and energizing every movement you make. Many individuals overlook this fact. This tea offers benefits beyond just your legs. It offers a subtle lift in energy. Unlike coffee, it won't leave you feeling jittery. Ginger is a natural ally for your metabolism, enhancing your body's ability to convert food into energy more effectively. Rather than experiencing that post-lunch slump or the urge for an afternoon nap, you may find yourself feeling more energized and driven, perhaps even eager to take that brief walk or do those simple leg stretches you've been wanting to incorporate into your routine, all easily prepared at home. Simply gather a few slices of fresh ginger root, a teaspoon of ground turmeric, or fresh turmeric if available, and some hot water. Allow it to steep for 10 minutes. Sprinkle in a dash of black pepper. This enhances your body's ability to absorb curcumin more effectively. Add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon for a delightful sweetness, if that suits your taste. That's all there is to it. You've just crafted a delightful healing tea that nurtures your legs, boosts your energy, and enhances your overall well-being. While some individuals experience benefits within just a few days, others may find it takes a couple of weeks to notice results. Consistency is essential. Start your day with just 1 cup, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes in how your legs feel and the energy you'll carry with you all day long. A practical illustration. For generations, traditional Indian households have relied on the soothing properties of turmeric and ginger tea to maintain flexible joints and alleviate everyday discomfort. Modern athletes, including NBA star Stephen Curry, have highlighted the benefits of incorporating turmeric into their recovery routines. Incorporating a cup of this tea into your daily routine can provide your muscles and joints with a gentle boost, without the need for intense training like a professional athlete. If you're committed to enhancing your leg strength, alleviating discomfort, and boosting your energy naturally, ginger turmeric tea is a simple and delightful way to begin your journey. 2. Introducing Ginseng Green Tea. A truly revitalizing experience awaits. Revitalize with Ginseng Green Tea. If you've been feeling exhausted lately, as if your legs give out midway through the day, or if you're struggling to find that motivation to keep going, this tea might be just what your body craves. Ginseng Green Tea serves as a refreshing wake-up call for your entire body, revitalizing your muscles, stimulating your brain, and rejuvenating those weary legs. Discover what sets it apart. We're combining 2 potent botanicals. First, green tea is packed with antioxidants and natural energy enhancers. Next, ginseng, a time-honored root celebrated in traditional medicine for its ability to combat fatigue, enhance strength, and rejuvenate vitality. Discover the incredible benefits of ginseng for your legs. Ginseng is renowned for its adaptogenic properties, which assist your body in managing stress effectively. The process of aging, whether you realize it or not, places daily stress on your muscles and joints. Ginseng alleviates internal stress, enhancing your body's resilience so your legs feel supported with every step you take. However, that's not all. Studies indicate that ginseng has the potential to enhance muscle performance and boost endurance. Kindly share your location with me today before we get started. We invite you to reach out with any questions you might have and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with all of Senior Health Tips' best health advice. I'd love to know if you're on board with me as you're watching this. If this video speaks to you, drop a 1 in the comments below. Enter 0 if that's the case. It enhances your muscles' ability to utilize oxygen, resulting in improved stamina and reduced fatigue. Picture yourself moving effortlessly around the house, ascending the stairs with ease, or tackling errands without the fatigue weighing you down afterward. Experience the transformative power of ginseng as it works its magic over time. The significance of green tea. Combine it with green tea, and you'll unlock even greater advantages. Green tea boasts a wealth of catechins, powerful antioxidants that combat free radicals in your muscles and joints. What's the significance of that? Over time, free radicals lead to cellular damage, giving your legs an appearance that belies their true age. Consistent consumption of green tea enhances your body's innate healing abilities, promoting stronger muscles and more resilient joints. In contrast to coffee, which often leads to energy spikes and crashes, green tea offers a smooth and balanced lift. This is made possible by L-theanine, an amino acid that enhances alertness while promoting a sense of calm. Incorporate ginseng, and you'll experience a consistent, enduring surge in both physical and mental vitality. The mental boost is essential. Here's a detail that often goes unnoticed. When your mind feels sharper and more energized, the desire to move more comes naturally. This drive encourages you to engage your legs more frequently, steadily restoring their strength over time. Ginseng green tea not only energizes your body, but also ignites the mindset that keeps you moving. Heat a cup of water until boiling, then allow it to cool just enough to avoid burns. Allow a green tea bag to infuse for 2 or 3 minutes. Next, incorporate a few delicate slices of ginseng root, or approximately 1 to 4 teaspoons of dried ginseng powder, if that's what you have on hand. Allow it to steep for an additional 5 minutes. Enhance your experience with a drizzle of honey or a splash of lemon for that extra burst of flavor. Experience a delightful, invigorating cup that supports your leg strength. For optimal results, make it a daily habit. This isn't just a quick solution. It's a nurturing practice that operates subtly, consistently enhancing your energy, balance, and mobility as time goes on. Evidence drawn from real-life experiences and research findings. According to findings published in the American Journal of Chinese Medicine, older adults who regularly incorporate ginseng into their routine report enhanced lower body strength and reduced fatigue in their daily activities. It's not merely about research. Even renowned personalities such as actor Jackie Chan, now in his 70s, have highlighted ginseng tea as a key element in their wellness routines to maintain vitality for physically demanding roles. Imagine the gentle boost your everyday walks, stair climbs, or light exercises could receive if someone in their 70s can keep moving at that level. If you're ready to stop feeling sluggish and want to boost your sharpness, mobility, and energy control, make Ginseng Green tea a staple in your daily routine. This isn't merely a beverage. It's your daily reminder to embrace a healthier, stronger you. 3. Ashwagandha Root. Tea. Discover a remarkable tea that goes beyond merely supporting your legs. It restores balance, tranquility, and vitality to your whole body. Introducing Ashwagandha Root Tea. Prepare yourself for an unexpected delight if you haven't experienced it yet. Ashwagandha is known as an adaptogen, which means it assists your body in managing stress, fatigue, and the effects of aging. For seniors, this is absolutely crucial. With age, our muscles face more than just the effects of inactivity. They also endure the impacts of chronic stress, inadequate sleep, and hormonal shifts. Key hormones such as cortisol and testosterone significantly influence our energy levels and muscle tone. Picture this for a moment. Imagine starting your day not with stiffness, fatigue, or anxiety, but with a sense of grounding and tranquility. Your legs stretch out, feeling invigorated and primed for action. You rise to your feet and feel that the weight in your legs has lifted. Many individuals share their experiences of a gentle daily transformation after incorporating ashwagandha tea into their routine, highlighting its effects on the body. During times of stress, be it due to health issues, financial concerns, or inadequate sleep, our bodies produce cortisol, commonly known as the stress hormone. Excessive cortisol levels over time can lead to weakened muscles, an increase in belly fat, and a significant drop in energy levels. Ashwagandha effectively regulates cortisol levels, soothing the nervous system and conveying a powerful message to your body. You are safe, it's time to relax, and you can begin to rebuild. This simple adjustment enables your body to focus on healing and restoring muscle, rather than perpetually breaking it down. There's even more to discover. Research indicates that ashwagandha has the potential to enhance muscle strength and endurance, particularly among older adults. In a recent clinical trial, older adults who incorporated ashwagandha into their daily routine experienced significant enhancements in lower body strength, improved balance, and boosted stamina in just a matter of weeks. Your body is simply receiving the support it deserves to function at its peak potential. Enhance your sleep by nurturing your nerves. Ashwagandha plays a vital role in promoting nerve health, significantly impacting the sensations in your legs as you walk or stand. If you've ever experienced a sense of shakiness, unsteadiness, or a lack of control over your legs, it could be due to weak neuromuscular connections. Ashwagandha enhances those connections, boosting coordination and responsiveness. This tea truly excels if you find yourself having trouble sleeping. Enjoying it in the evening can soothe your mind, alleviate nighttime worries, and encourage a deeper, more restorative sleep. Improved sleep leads to enhanced muscle recovery as our muscles undergo repair during periods of rest. When sleep is lacking, the body finds it challenging to restore its strength, regardless of how nutritious your diet may be. What's the best way to get it ready? Ashwagandha root is available in various forms, including dried pieces, powder, and convenient blended tea bags. The dried root delivers the most potent benefits. Take approximately 1 teaspoon. Allow it to simmer gently in water for 10-15 minutes, strain, and enjoy it warm. Enhance your dish with a touch of cinnamon or a drizzle of honey for a delightful sweetness. Ashwagandha boasts a subtly earthy, nutty flavor that harmonizes perfectly with warm spices. Some enjoy it in the morning for a day filled with calm and consistent energy, while others choose it at night to unwind and support muscle recovery during sleep. Ultimately, the key lies in consistency. Integrating it into your daily routine ensures your body receives ongoing support. Renowned holistic wellness experts, such as celebrity nutritionist Dr. Frank Lipman, frequently suggest ashwagandha for older clients facing fatigue and stress. Numerous prominent wellness advocates over 60, including Gwyneth Paltrow's wellness team, have brought adaptogens like ashwagandha into the spotlight to enhance energy balance and improve sleep quality. Seniors can experience distinct advantages, including enhanced leg strength, improved balance, and a lasting sense of calm energy that carries them through the day, all contributing to their overall well-being. If you want to feel more balanced, reduce stress, and find tranquility in your daily life, ashwagandha root tea is a fantastic option to consider. It's more than just building stronger muscles. It's about achieving a harmonious balance in your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. That balance serves as the true cornerstone for enduring vitality throughout every stage of life. Discover 3 remarkable natural teas that can transform the way your legs feel and boost your energy levels every single day. Experience the soothing benefits of ginger turmeric tea, designed to reduce inflammation and enhance circulation. Experience the power of ginseng green tea to enhance your muscle strength and stamina. Experience the soothing benefits of ashwagandha root tea, designed to restore balance, alleviate stress, and enhance your overnight recovery. These are more than just warm, comforting beverages. These are straightforward daily aids designed to enhance your stability, boost your strength, and empower you to navigate life with greater confidence and reduce discomfort. Keep in mind, the key lies in maintaining consistency. Simply incorporating 1 cup a day, along with light movement and an optimistic outlook, can lead to significant enhancements over time. We want to hear from you. If this video was helpful, or if you're excited to try one of these teas, share your experience in the comments below. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more straightforward, evidence-based health tips tailored specifically for you. You absolutely deserve to regain your strength. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give that like button a click. This truly benefits the channel. Be sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell to stay updated on all our upcoming videos. I invite you to share your thoughts. Please leave a comment below and let me know your perspective. Thank you for tuning in. Looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.